Hey guys, Spencer with Rainforest Plumbing Air. In the Phoenix Valley, summer temps can soar. And that means reliable air conditioning is essential. But what happens when your AC starts acting up? Let's explore some common AC problems and how to tackle them. First, refrigerant leaks. Signs of a refrigerant leak include warm air blowing from the vents or ice forming on coils. These leaks reduce efficiency and can damage your system. Refrigerant acts like oil in an engine, so allowing a system to run with low refrigerant levels can cause permanent damage. Another common issue are condensate drain clogs. As your air conditioner cools a space, condensation occurs. Ideally, that condensation will drain to the outside of the property. Occasionally, those drains can get clogged, and a clogged drain can cause water leaks and humidity issues. So regular maintenance prevents these types of blockages. You can always install backup prevention devices that shut the air conditioner off if a clog happens. This will stop cooling, but will also prevent property damage until a licensed technician can make a repair. Then there are thermostat malfunctions. Like most electronic devices, things can go wrong. Ensure that your thermostat is accurate or consider an upgrade for better control. Wi-Fi connected smart thermostats like the ecobee Pro are my favorite. Last, you can never forget about dirty air filters. Clogged or dirty filters restrict airflow, forcing your air conditioner to work harder. Frozen coils can also be a sign of airflow restrictions. Replace your filters regularly to maintain efficiency. We recommend every 1 to 3 months. For more info on filters, watch the video linked in the description below. Overall, regular maintenance is key. Rainforest Plumbing and Air offers comprehensive tune-ups to keep your system running smoothly. So if you want your equipment to last, give us a call so you stay cool and comfortable all summer long. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and a follow, and we will see you in the next video.